Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take ashwagandha in summer season. Ashwagandha is a powerful herb, but its warming properties mean we need to be mindful during hotter months. We'll cover how to adjust your intake to stay balanced and comfortable. It's all about finding the right approach to harness its benefits without overheating. Remember, always check with a doctor before adding new supplements to your routine. When taking ashwagandha in summer, the form matters. Opt for powders mixed into cool water, milk, or a smoothie rather than capsules, which can feel more warming. Begin with a smaller dose, around 250 milligrams, and see how your body responds. Many find taking it in the evening helps with relaxation and sleep, which is especially welcome on warm nights. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. To further balance ashwagandha's warming nature, consider combining it with cooling herbs such as brahmi or shatavari. These can help mitigate any potential heat. Staying well hydrated is also key. Drink ample water throughout the day. It's best to avoid taking ashwagandha with hot drinks or very spicy meals, as this can amplify its warming effect. Focus on a balanced approach for summer wellness. Beyond ashwagandha, embrace a holistic approach to summer wellness. Incorporate cooling foods like cucumbers, melons, and leafy greens into your diet. Gentle exercise, such as walking or yoga, and meditation can help manage stress without generating excess body heat. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers that make meal prep a breeze, along with other great deals. Prioritize self-care for a vibrant summer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.